These are the 20 things you did not know about Kylian Mbappe. The French football sensation has taken the world by storm with his incredible skills and record-breaking performances. But did you know that there's more to Mbappe than what meets the eye? Today we'll reveal 20 fascinating facts and untold stories about Kylian Mbappe that only a few people know. So let's dive in. Mbappe's love for football started at a very young age. As a child, he would sleep with a football beside him, dreaming of becoming a professional player one day. At the tender age of 12, Mbappe caught the attention of AS Monaco scouts during a local youth tournament. Impressed by his raw talent, they immediately offered him a place in their prestigious academy. Mbappe comes from a family of athletes. His father, Wilfried, was a professional footballer from Cameroon, while his mother, Faiza, was a handball player. This sporting background has undoubtedly influenced Mbappe's career. Despite his footballing success, Mbappe remains a humble and grounded individual. He regularly donates his salary to charity organizations and actively participates in philanthropic initiatives. We often see that Mbappe has an extraordinary speed, which often leaves defenders in awe. But one day, during a training session, he broke the speed record set by Usain Bolt for a 30-meter sprint. When Mbappe made his debut for the French national team, he became the youngest player to score for France since 1963, surpassing a record held by the legendary Thierry Henry. This one is interesting. Mbappe is a huge fan of Cristiano Ronaldo. In fact, he had a poster of Ronaldo on his bedroom wall when he was growing up and considers him one of his biggest inspirations. In 2017, Mbappe made a historic move from AS Monaco to Paris Saint-Germain, PSG, for a staggering transfer fee of €180 million, making him the most expensive teenager in football history. Mbappe has an impressive collection of individual awards, including the FIFA World Cup Best Young Player, League One Player of the Year, and the Golden Boy Award. Away from the pitch, Mbappe is known for his love of video games. He often enjoys playing FIFA, and he even appeared on the cover of FIFA 21 alongside two other football stars. Mbappe has a close relationship with his younger brother Ethan, who is also a talented footballer. Ethan currently plays in the PSG Youth Academy, and it won't be long before we see the Mbappe brothers playing together professionally. During his childhood, Mbappe's parents would give him a small reward for every goal he scored. This motivated him to keep scoring and helped shape his goal-scoring instincts. In 2018, Mbappe donated his entire World Cup earnings to a charity organization that provides sports activities to children with disabilities. Mbappe is an avid reader and enjoys expanding his knowledge beyond football. His favorite book is The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho, which he credits with teaching him valuable life lessons. Mbappe's mother played a crucial role in shaping his career. She would accompany him to training sessions, matches, and even negotiated his first professional contract with AS Monaco. Despite being just 22 years old, Mbappe has already surpassed several records held by football legends. He became the youngest player to score 100 goals in League One, breaking a record previously held by Lionel Messi. If you can break Messi's records, then you are something for sure. This achievement solidified his position as one of the most prolific and talented strikers of his generation. Mbappe's relentless drive and clinical finishing have made him a nightmare for defenders and a joy to watch for football fans around the world. Mbappe's electrifying speed on the pitch is not just limited to football. He's also an exceptional sprinter and once won the national U18 100-meter sprint championship in France. Despite the pressure and attention that comes with being a global superstar, Mbappe remains remarkably composed and focused. He meditates regularly to maintain mental clarity and enhance his performance on the field. When it comes to speaking skills, Mbappe is fluent in 4 languages: French, English, Spanish, and Italian. This linguistic versatility allows him to communicate effectively with teammates, coaches, and fans from around the world. Beyond his incredible skills and accomplishments, Mbappe's humility, generosity, and dedication to making a positive impact are what truly set him apart. As he continues to shine on the football stage, we can only imagine what new chapters he will add to his already extraordinary journey.